What's up, YouTube family? It's me, J Simone, and I'm back with another video. This time, this one is gonna be all of it. You know what I'm saying? Hair, makeup, everything. It's a voiceover though. I didn't do a talk through because basically I was doing a lot and I didn't want this video to be super duper long. So without further ado, let's just jump in this get ready with me so y'all can see how I got this beautiful, classy look. So stay tuned. Ow!
I got it bad for you. I'm hoping that you got it bad for me. I'm in my bag for you. I'm hoping that you in your bag for me. Breaking my back for you, but you gotta break your back for me. I just felt like shit.
Hey guys, so we about to bust this wig because y'all know I look hitting the mouth right now, but it's okay because I'm about to get myself together right now. So I'm going to take a little bit of this olive oil grease and I'm going to work that into my hair. I have already like blow dried my hair and got it kind of like, you know, a little bit workable because I am going to be doing a straight ponytail and my hair is 100% natural. So I ain't trying to be looking like who shot John and forgot to kill him. I needed to make sure this ponytail was going to be able to be slick, honey. So now I'm going to take this Cantu Shea Butter hair dress. I'm going to use that to help mold my hair into a ponytail before I use the gel. Now I'm just going to take a hard bristle brush and I'm going to use that to start to work my hair into a ponytail. The gel I'm going to be using is the Grip Gel Ultra Hold by ORS, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how much I'm going to be using it in sections to lay this hair down. And baby, when I tell you this gel will get your hair slick, baby, it's supposed to be for wigs and stuff, but I tried it to apply for my wigs, but I really like it for styling more so than wigs. And then I just brush down my edges so that way when it gets to that point to style them, they're already out. And then I can just take the gel and start to work the gel into my edges, which you guys will see all of that in the video. Now that I have gathered my hair all into one, I'm going to secure it with this elastic band. And then I'm going to braid the ponytail and make it into a little ball. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style my edges, and I'm just going to let the video play so you guys can see how I do that. And the gel I'm going to be using is the same ORS gel that I use to slick my hair down. So I'm taking this drawstring ponytail. It came curly, but I went ahead and washed it and blow dried it. And now I'm just going to flat iron it because I kind of wanted it to be straight. I didn't like it in its curly state. It just looked too like fake and raggedy looking. So I was just like, let me go ahead and straighten it. And it comes with 2 combs, one in the front, one in the back, a drawstring that you can wrap around. And then I just secured it with a bobby pin. So now I'm going to take this braid that I just braided, and I'm going to use that to kind of wrap around the base of the drawstring ponytail, because me personally, I just don't like how they sit on top of the head because it's a drawstring. So, you know, it makes it look real bulky at the base. So I like to kind of like make it look more tapered and structured. So I like to take a little bit of like something to wrap it around and make it look more sleek. Now I'm finna take this ponytail to the next level, y'all. I'm about to flat iron it, and then I'm gonna also flip the ends. You know, that flip thing them came back, because I remember back in the day it used to be a thing. So now, you know, I wanted to try it. I want to see how I look with the flips nowadays. So I went ahead and flipped the ends, honey. And that's all for the hair, y'all. So, yep, done with that. Now we can move on to this makeup. I think it turned out cute. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm going in with my Pretty Fresh primer, and I'm just going to put that all over the face. So now I'm going to go ahead and tackle these brows. I'm using MAC's eyeshadow in the color Brun, or Brun, whatever it's called. And I'm just going to work that into my brows. Now I'm just going to give these brows some shape, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. concealer, 16-hour concealer in Deep Cinnamon. Now I'm just going to take another e.l.f. concealer, and this one is in Deep Olive. And this one I'm just using to kind of make my eyeshadow pop a little bit more since it's lighter. For eyeshadow today, we're going to be using this Butterfly Effect 24 pan eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. I'm just going to be working with a few shades from this palette, and starting with a dark brown in my outer corner. Now I'm taking this orange shade, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that above where I blended the dark brown. For my brow bone highlight, I'm taking just a kind of off-white cream color just to accentuate that brow bone. Now I'm just going to take this light tan shade and put that all over the lid, and then in the inner tear ducts I'm going to use a white shade to kind of brighten up my eyes. Now I'm just going in with some black gel liner by e.l.f. and I'm going to wing it out. And the brush I'm using to wing out the eyeliner is by MAC, and it's the 210 brush. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be adding some false lashes, and these lashes I love. They are by Mean Girls Lashes in the style Boo You Whore, and I absolutely adore these. I've used these before on my channel, and if you guys want to check them out, I will definitely leave the link in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So now I'm going to add this foundation. This one is by ColourPop. It's the No Filter foundation, and the color that I'm wearing is 19E4. And I will definitely list all that down below. And this foundation is so amazing. It just melts into my skin. I absolutely love it. Now it's time to wake up these under eyes, and I'm going to be using the same e.l.f. concealer in Deep Olive. And I'm just going to work that in. I'm also going to use that to highlight my face, like the inner part of my face, my nose, my upper lip, and my chin and forehead.
Talk about what we're gonna do. We can take our time if you want to. Cause I can understand what you're going through. We can talk it out if you want to.
Now I'm going to contour using my Juvias Place Shade Stick Foundation. And this one is in Katsina. And I'm just going to go and place that on the hollows of my cheeks, side of my forehead, and then my jawline, and also on the sides of my nose.
Cause I can understand what you're going through. We can talk it out if you want to. We can talk about what we're gonna do. We can take your time if you want to. Cause I can understand what you're going through. I'm in it for the long run. I know you gave yourself to.
Now I'm just going to take a couple powders from the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette, and the type was 8H. And I'm using the lighter one to highlight underneath my eye, and then I'll use the darker ones to kind of set that contour that I did with the shade stick. From that same highlight and contour palette, I'm going to just take the highlighting shade. It's called Mirage. And I'm just going to use that on the top of my cheekbones. So it's lip time, and this is the final step of the makeup. And I will list the lip products down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But right now I'm just lining it. Then I'm going to add some lipstick and some lip gloss, and then we're done. And that's all, folks. What do you guys think? Am I slaying? Is this a look? Let me know in the comments. Make sure y'all give this video a like. Also, turn on your post notifications for your girl so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I really enjoyed you guys today. I had so much fun recording this video, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye, y'all.